Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can archive your messages on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger and then you will see your chat box open over here, or if you didn't log into your account, so you have to first log into your account with the Facebook account, or you can create your Messenger account as well. So for the course of the video, we have to archive the messages. So you can see over here four chats are over here. So I want to archive the group. So as you can see, the second one is the group, so I want to archive it on iPhone. So you have to simply do is swipe it to the left, and then you will see over here this menu. Like on the right side, you have to see, or like you can see over here, archive. So you have to simply click on that, and then it's gonna be vanished from here. So that's it. That's how you can archive your messages on Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.